So here we have some beautiful Christmas lights. I'm going to try a test shot with the shoulder camera on them. The hiragana in the background says NishiNasu no, and the 5 syllables characters. Well, looks like a very nice setup they have here. Saw some people coming here. Oh, there's little big sunglasses that you can put on if you're daring enough, and don't worry about strangers and whatnot. It's very beautiful. And this is NishiNasu Station. The yellow hotel is the Hotel Select Inn. Very nice place, very affordable as well. And this is NishiNasu Station right there. You have some palm trees here, which haven't obviously been transplanted because yeah, they don't naturally grow in this environment. They're grown ahead of time, but they're too big to die from the cold. There's not enough frost here to actually kill them, if you're wondering. I just want to walk you guys through. The bullet train is rocking above. If you're wondering what that swish sound is, it's not a jet. It's a bullet train on the land. And I guess there's some events going on here on the 9th. Maybe some event here, I should say. And then some Instagram of this. And some history of NishiNasu Station and whatnot. Time. Yep, so it's pretty nice. Pretty nice like days. Take a picture of that actually. Just, you never know. Might be pretty. There we go. Boom. Yeah, sorry, I was just sending a message to a friend. They asked me how the onsen was in the mountains. I told them it was amazing because it was exactly that amazing. And Nishiguchi nantoka yokoso, it says in Japanese. Welcome, alternately welcome, west entrance, something. So this is like a little mini park sorts. You sit down around here. Place to take a break after carrying all your luggage, you know, from the bullet train. And yeah, so this is, sorry for the burp if you heard that in the background, I apologize. It's a beautiful Christmas tree in Japan. Not what you would expect from I would say generally a non-Christian, but I've heard Japanese people say Christianity is now one of the accepted religions. So you would not typically associate Japan with Christianity, but yes, they have Christmas trees in public property, and the people like it, and at least the young people do, because I see them chilling and taking pictures and having a great time there. So yeah, thank you very much.